Hi there, I'm super excited to be sharing with you the beginning of a series of do-it-yourself hairstyles that are fun, beautiful, and easy to recreate. For today's look, I'm going to be creating this beautiful Topsy Tail updo that requires absolutely no heating tools, no curling tools of any sort, but yet you get this beautiful look of natural curls. Now I know this hairstyle looks very intimidating and detailed, very super intricate, but I can guarantee you it's actually a lot easier to create than you think. You're going to begin by creating a ponytail at your hairline. You can also create the ponytail at the crown of your head depending on the look that you're going for. So you're going to go ahead and create a topsy tail from that ponytail you created. Once you've pulled it through, you're going to go ahead and pull out strands from that topsy tail. I'm not doing this in any particular order or fashion. I'm just pulling out at random strands, trying to recreate the look of curls, trying to add some interest to the hair. So once you have that, you're going to gather some more hair. Right below that first topsy tail, you're going to tie another ponytail just right beneath it. So make sure you gather all your hair, it's even on both sides. And then you're going to pull it through to create a topsy tail again, just exactly as you did with the first topsy tail. Pull it through carefully so as to avoid any tangles, any stray hairs. And then you're going to go ahead and pull out again select strands of hair from that topsy tail. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, you are just pulling at random strands. And it doesn't have to be even on each side of the topsy tail. You're just trying to create the look of natural curls. So once I'm satisfied with that topsy tail, I'm going to gather more hair on each side. I'm going to create another ponytail. This time I'm tying it more towards the right side. That way I am not creating topsy tails that are one right underneath the other. I'm trying to alternate sides or just again add interest to the hair so it doesn't look as though it's so straight and structured. So for a third time, you're going to start pulling out select strands. I'm just picking and choosing random strands, pulling them out, again trying to replicate the look of curls. Now I'm going to grab hair again and I'm going to form another topsy tail, and this time I'm going to tie the ponytail a little bit more towards the left, again trying to alternate sides a bit so that my topsy tails don't look so ordered, one right below the other. Again, the idea is to add some detailing and design and technique to the hair. That is pretty much it to this hairstyle. So you're basically tying ponytails, creating topsy tails, and pulling strands from the topsy tail. I guarantee that you can do this, and I did this blindly without a mirror to look at from front to back. Imagine if you do this on your own, you're able to look in the mirror, and if you have a mirror that's facing the mirror you're looking at, you can see what's going on behind you. I can only imagine how much more beautifully the hairstyle would come out if you were to recreate this. So for the rest of the hairstyle, I'm just going to continue creating topsy tails until I've run out of hair. once you complete the final Topsy Tail, you're going to have the ends left over, so you're going to want to tuck that underneath your hair, and then you're going to want to get bobby pins and start pinning it to your overall design, making sure that none of the ends stick out. This is also the time for you to go back and grab your bobby pins and pin back any hairs that are sticking out in the sides, in the fronts. If maybe any of the curls or the strands you pulled from the Topsy Tail Topsy Tails are sticking out too much, that is where the bobby pin is going to come into great use. I also did this hairstyle on a model with lighter hair, so you can definitely see the detail more. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you found this video easy and helpful for you. Hopefully you'll try this out. This is perfect for weddings, evening events, birthdays, bridal showers, parties, and so many other events. I hope you found some inspiration from the video, and don't forget to check back for more fun do-it-yourself hairstyles.